Hi and welcome to this multi-part video series called Phone Right. My name is David Anthony. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and do consider subscribing because this channel is all about helping you go further and faster in business and in life. So let's get started.
Hello and a very special welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining me for this program. Now you're probably and correctly wondering what we're going to be doing here. Well, to put it very simply, we're going to learn how to get massive results and rewards by using what are actually very simple communication processes. Of course, there are many ways we communicate with each other. For example, we communicate face-to-face, by letters, by interacting electronically in some way with a website or by email, or by interacting electronically via the phone network by voice. Now, it's this last area we're going to look at in this program, although I suspect that you'll get a lot of flow-over effects into those other areas too when you apply the skills we'll be working on together. Along the way in our program, we'll be developing what we call performance standards. Now, the best way to describe what they are is to consider a very high-performing team. In the very best teams, everyone can rely on everyone else to play a role and to play that role consistently. A good example of what we mean is a sporting team. Take a look at this.
Milmuth and Munt in the right position. They seem to be posting up fairly high. It's not being used a great deal downstairs. Oh, what a basket, Mike!
That play didn't just happen. It was planned and everyone knew their role. And at another level, since the performance standards we'll be developing here rely on us using certain words and phrases consistently, you can think of the performance standards we'll be developing here as a kind of verbal uniform. Using the phrases says to everyone, I'm on the team. And of course, all of us would want that team to be an outstanding one. In fact, there's a very important link between outstanding performance and the rewards and results you get. Let's just look at that for a moment or two. On your screen, you can see the heading for two columns, linking the performance and the rewards. Now, interestingly, when your performance is poor, particularly in today's competitive environment, then essentially there are no results. On the other hand, when we lift the performance a notch to make it good, then in the competitive environment today, the results are probably poor. So let's lift the performance one more notch to great. The results we get then are good. And one more notch again to excellent. And that's when we start getting great results. But there's a level beyond excellent. We call it outstanding. An outstanding performance gets massive results. The interesting thing is that the difference between excellent and outstanding performance is very, very small, as we'll see. So, outstanding performance and massive rewards is where we're heading here. But you know what's really interesting? The gap between what you do at the excellent performance level and the outstanding level is very, very small. Yet the results and rewards from those small changes are huge, and you'll see that in action in a moment. For now though, let's do a quick exercise. Let's take that poor to outstanding scale and lay it horizontally like this. Now, let's say for the moment that the scale represents your corporate and individual performance on the phone. Now, put a mark on the scale to indicate where you think you are on that scale. In fact, let's put 2 marks on the scale. One for you as a company and one for you as an individual. It should be fun. I'll join you as soon as you're ready.
I hope you got a lot of value today. If you did, click the like button. What that does is help us build our non-profit business school, UBLA. Check out in the description below to find out more about what we're doing and how you can help. This is part of a multi-part series, so keep your eye out for the next video. In the meantime, we've done a great playlist about how why do small businesses fail. Check this link over here, and this will show you a great little list about how you can be successful in business. So thank you very much. Catch you again soon.